Hey guys, and welcome to Solar Cabin Channel. I am going to be using this Bilthard garden trailer to create a portable power station. And I wanted to just show you first the cart to give you an idea of what you want to look for and what I think would be a good cart. Now this is made by Bilthard, that's B-I-L-T-H-A-R-D, on Amazon. Now this is rated for 840 pounds. They also sell a 400-pound unit and they sell a 1,200-pound unit. I got this unit here because I looked at all the features compared to some of the other models and I really liked it. One of the features that I like is this has flat free tires on it. These are tires that do not need any air in them. They're a type of solid plastic, if you want to know what they are. I've had other trailers that had tires with inner tubes in them, and every one of them would go flat in a year, and then I'd end up having to keep replacing the tires, fixing the tires. This has flat free tires, which I really wanted on this because I have a lot of Russian olive trees with thorns on them, so I tend to get punctured tires a lot here. The other thing is the weight on this, because I'm going to be putting batteries in it, I wanted something that would hold a lot of batteries. If I want to stack them in here, I'm going to be putting a 200 amp hour battery in this. This has, as you can see, I'll tip it up here. This has 3 solid steel rails across it. So it gives it lots of good support. Now, if you wanted to, this has a mesh, like a steel mesh, solid mesh on it. But if you wanted to, you can cut a piece of plywood or OSB to go in the bottom of this. I'm going to leave it open because it's going to support the batteries, and I'm not too concerned about that. Some people ask, well, can you use this to haul dirt or something in? Because if you're not using this for a power cart, yeah, you just need to put a tarp in it. You just drape a tarp in it, and then you can throw dirt or anything else in it. And then you can take these off, as I'll show you here. The sides all come off or fold down for emptying or loading up. And you can use this as a flatbed trailer as well as using the sides on it. It also has an opening, which I'll show you here, and it steers really well. But let me show you how these panels come off. They just have an easy latch. You just lift them up on each side like so. And you can drop all of them. You can do that on the sides and the ends, and then you can fold them back up. They go in real easy, like so, latch down, and that locks them in, and they're good and solid. Now this will hold a whole bunch of gardening supplies, anything like that, bags of cement, cinder blocks, and you notice that it has this opening, which I'll try to show you here. It has this opening up front. A lot of the trailers don't have that. I like this because if you drop this down, this tailgate down, you could actually load a stack of 2x4s in here, okay? And they would stick out the front a little ways, and then they stick off the back of the trailer. So you can haul pipe, you can haul 2x4s, any type of long thing that you need to put in a trailer like this. You can do that with this trailer where you can't do that with some others. Now this does have a handle on it, and the handle does have a rubber piece here, so it's protected. And this thing steers really well. I really like the way this, you can move this, you can back it around, get it wherever you need to in your work. And it has, as you can see, it has a good axle on the front, really solid. Everything's put together really well. I was able to put this together in probably 10 minutes, and it has lock bolts on it instead of just lock washers like some of them sent. These has the lock nuts on it, so you can put the lock nuts on it and they're not going to go anywhere. That's really good thinking. I think they did a really good job on this trailer, on this cart, for using it for a garden cart. You could even, if you wanted to, you could either make an attachment to put this on like an ATV or behind your lawnmower. You might even be able to use the handle to tow it behind a lawnmower as long as you're not going very fast. And so you could use this behind your lawnmower and haul stuff around to wherever you're into in your yard. Now, like I said, I'm going to use this for a power station. So I'm going to be putting batteries in here. I'm going to be putting an inverter in here and a charge controller. And then on top of this, I'm going to build a plywood platform so that I can use this as a workbench and also to put a solar panel on top of it that I can move the solar panel off, do work around my place with my power tools and things like that, run off this power station. Okay, so if you want to know what the dimensions on this is, on the inside, this is 20 inches. It's 20 inches wide on the inside, and it is 3 feet, call it 3 feet and a half inch on the inside length. And if you want to know what the depth is to the sides, it is 9 inches. 9 inches depth to the inside, And then these are 10-inch wheels, and I said they're flat free wheels. And from the ground up to the top of the trailer is about 21 inches. 21 inches to the top of the trailer, and that's a really good size. You can get a whole lot of stuff in a cart like this for doing gardening or work around your house, hauling wood, hauling cement, working on a building project. And I'm going to be using it for a power cart, which I'll show you next.